All of us, every day, see beauty in the world all around us. And yet, we are all still searching for the true meaning of beauty. When it comes to facial beauty, there are some hard facts that we know, and you might find them very interesting if you're someone who's interested in improving your facial appearance. What we know is that we find each other attractive, whether it's men finding women attractive, women finding men attractive, or men just finding men and women just finding women attractive, when we look more or less average. And so what you find as an attractive person is someone who is average for the society, the culture in which you live. But average or attractiveness is not the same as beauty. The beautiful person is that person who has one or two traits that are either very feminine for a woman or very masculine for a male. And we happen to know that these are traits that are determined by higher estrogen levels in females and androgen levels in males. And so for a female, we think of beauty as a woman with very large eyes, with higher cheekbones, a shorter upper lip, large lips, a great smile, and a smaller, narrower chin, a long, graceful neck. For men, a little bit more of a masculine look with lower brows, stronger bone structure, a squarer jaw, perhaps a smaller mouth, but also a little bit of caring. And so individuals who are fortunate enough to have these characteristics are considered even beautiful. We also know that beauty is associated with youthfulness. This is because the youthful person probably is a little bit more reproductively successful. And that's one of the things that we're all looking for, whether we know it or not. Much is made of symmetry, and symmetry is important, but in fact it's the least important of the characteristics that I've just mentioned to you. And so if you're seeking attractiveness or beauty, these are the things that you are seeking, whether you know it or not. And so when you look in the mirror or look at a photograph, you may be pleased with your appearance. If so, I won't be seeing you. But if you have some things that you're not pleased about, then our goal is to improve that facial shape, whether it's a misshapen nose or a sign of aging, that will then create harmony for you, so that you see in your outer appearance the person that you feel you are in your inner spirit. And when we can do that, then you will have harmony. And as Sir Francis Bacon said, beauty is harmony. And the interesting thing, if you think about it, is that so often people say that, well, people have aesthetic surgery because they want to change how they look. The reality is that people have aesthetic surgery to change their look, but to change their look to look more like the person they feel they really are. That creates their harmony and their satisfaction. We look forward to seeing you if you would like to discuss some of these issues and your concerns about your facial appearance. Beauty is our goal, and satisfaction for you and harmony is our goal for you.